Good morning, y'all. So today is gonna be our second day of corn harvest. Right now we're gonna grease a couple things on this elevator over here and then head over to the cornfield and get started.
Installed it in low. What? Guess it's full.
Alright. So we just got over here. I'm gonna dump on him. Got about 40,000, and we're gonna wait till we get started here. Probably an hour and a half. All right, that's good.
How much was it?
39,700 or so. I'm going to head over to where the combine's at, because last night I laid the blower beside the tractor, and I can't remember if it was like where the grain cart tire was gonna run over it or what. So we're gonna go check. Hopefully I didn't run it over. I don't know, it's not looking so good. I don't see the blower. It might just be a miracle. I see it laying there. We might have missed it. I think we missed it. Awesome. So we were parked up there last night, and that's where I laid the blower. So I must have laid it like right here or something. And then we went to go, it like fell over and barely missed the tire. So that's awesome. I am never letting you out of my sight again, young man. You hear that? Hi guys, my name is Elijah. I'm 15 and I work on the family farm. I've been a grain cart driver now for about 2 or 3 years, and I thought, why not bring you guys along with me and show y'all what we do as farmers. So hope y'all are enjoying the video so far. Right now we're almost done with this little piece right here, and then we'll go do some of this, and then we'll cross the road and get that corn. We're gonna head back to the truck now. We got 41,000. So we have about 42,000 on the grain cart, which is quite a bit. And we're heading back to the truck right now. Will 42,000 fit on here?
I don't know. I doubt it, but you can try.
Yeah, I'm not gonna try.
I heard you got lucky.
Yeah, the leaf blower fell off 50 feet from the combine and still didn't get hit. So I'm gonna pull the tractor over here. We're gonna fill the combine and tractor up with fuel, and then we're gonna head across the road to our next field. So we just made it across the road, and he's about to start here now. And we are blocking all traffic on this gravel road. Here comes a UPS man now. So it's officially 12:02, which means it's lunchtime. So we have a nice peanut butter and jelly sandwich, some corn chips, and lots of molasses cookies. I probably won't eat them all. Don't hold me to that. So now we have enough to finish filling up his truck probably. Because there's already 18,000 in there, so I probably need another 18,000. So this should be plenty. So it looked like he either had some kind of hydraulic hose bust and something was messed up with one of the snouts, like it got hung on a rock or anything. We looked out there, but we didn't see anything. I think he's calling someone right now, maybe my dad, see if he can come down here with a service truck or something.
When you kicked it in gear, might be a blowed over. Might be. I got one of the snakes hung up in the arbor. What? You hit a rock? That almost looks like a stump or something. To drive it back that far. Cancel this right here, but
Hold that.
So they're working on bending back all those metal pieces, and I think we have to get an O-ring for the combine. We might already have one, but to put that stuff back on, and I guess we'll keep on going today. I'm not sure.
the stuff always tries to go back to the original. It does, it does.
So we just got everything fixed with the hydraulic oil leak and everything, and then we got the snout fixed too. So we're back rolling again. So yeah, I'm not exactly sure how long we're gonna stay out here. It's 3:23 right now. So we found the rock that tore up the snout. Apparently it was this one, and it was just riding just low enough to hang it when it got tore up. We got some fallen down corn right here. A lot of the field's been like that, which I think it ran out of potassium or something, Dad said, and it tries to cannibalize the stalk, and it gets too weak and it falls, and it's laying on the ground like that. We can't get it all the ears, so the yield goes down some. That's why we want to do this first, so no more would fall down. So this is the last bit of this field, and it's 5:07 right now, and so everyone's getting off of work, and school's out. So I'm not sure if we're gonna move or anything, since probably the roads are gonna be pretty busy. But I guess we'll find out here in a minute. So this might be the last load of the day, or definitely might not be the last load of the day. So we just found out we were gonna wait until the morning to move.
You got me, Elijah?
Yep, 35,000.
Info. Later. I'll see y'all in the morning.
See ya. So we're gonna wait till the morning to move, and it's about 5 o'clock. So I guess that's gonna be about it for this video. Hope y'all enjoyed, and have a blessed day, y'all.